How to insert signature in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, send picture from paper signature into your PC. Then open Microsoft Word, press on Insert at the top, click on Pictures. After you've clicked on Pictures, click on this device. Then select the signature picture. After you select it, press on Insert and the picture will be inserted. Then click on Picture Format at the top and then go to Crop located at top right corner of your screen. Click on Crop and then crop the image near to the signature in this way. Then press on Enter. After that, again click on the signature picture and then click on Color located at the left side. After you click on Color, select the color you prefer, which suits you the best. After you've selected it, you'll find the same color in your signature. Then press on Remove Background at the top left. After you've clicked on Remove Background at the top left corner of your screen, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Mark Areas to keep and mark the area of the signature, and then press on Keep Changes at the top after you're done. After you have done that, you will find your result of the signature in this way. But if you want your name's signature, go to Insert and then at the top right, click on Add a Signature Line. You will find Add a Signature Line, click on it. Then add your suggested signer, your name, and the title, which will show at the bottom. Press on OK, and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You can select both of them to save in your Word. Select both of them. After you have selected both the signature, click on Insert at the top. Then at the top right, you'll find Explore Quick Parts. Click on Explore Quick Parts. After you have selected Explore Quick Parts, click on Building Blocks Organizer. Then in here, add your name and then press on OK at the bottom or simply press Enter. And if you need this signature later, what you can do is simply click on the same Explore Quick Parts option and you'll find the Save Signature in here. This is how to insert signature in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.